Hello YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I don't know if you guys knew this or not, but my daily driver is actually a 2020 Tacoma. So on the Tacoma, I have these really cheap Amazon LED license plate bulbs in, and they're starting to flicker and they're discoloring and they're just not very nice. So I ordered something new and I'm going to show you guys how to install it. So this is my daily driver. It's a 2020 Tacoma. It's sitting on Falcon Wild Peaks RRW wheels, and it has the Rough Country 3.5-inch lift kit. It's an awesome daily. I absolutely love it. It's absolutely filthy right now. It's going to be getting a full detail actually tomorrow or Saturday. So I'm excited for that, but got a couple other things coming for it, so I'll make a few videos on that as well. But let's get these lights installed. These are the Morimoto LED lights for the Tacoma. They are specific to the Tacoma. Let's open these up and I'll show you what these look like. So here they are, they snap in. And actually they might be for the Tundra as well, I'm not sure. But I'm gonna link them below and then we'll see from there. But yeah, they look pretty nice, so I'm really excited to install these. So here's the lights we're going to be replacing right here. These just snap out. So there's clips on the inside, and it's best really to get underneath the truck and push them forward. So I'll show you how that works. So under the truck here, as you can see, if you look in there, that's what we got to get out, up in here. It's kind of a tight fit, but I always twist out the bulb first. There's the cheap LED from Amazon. Let's get it out of the way. See if we can snap this forward. There's two clips on each side. There's two clips. Let's see if I can show you. All right, we got one of the clips. I got two screwdrivers here. I got a big one and a really small one. I'll show you kind of how I'm going to get this out. Screwdriver method worked. So I took the long one and I pushed on these two clips from the bottom of the truck. So underneath it, you push on this clip, get your hand up in there and kind of push forward on this, push on this clip, it'll pop right out. Here's our differences between the factory housing and then the new Morimoto. Pretty neat. It's a whole lot easier to connect this before you actually install it. All right, so I'm pushed in and I'm gonna run up there and turn my lights on and we're just gonna make sure it works. And it works. All right, so from here, we're gonna take it, we're just gonna double check everything, make sure we're good. We're gonna stick it right back in there, just like this. You'll hear it clip in and you're good to go. All right, repeat the process for the second side. And that's all there is to it. Now you have LED lights that should last forever. And that's it. Super simple and easy process. The Morimotos, I've had their products in the past and I've always been happy with them, so there's no doubt in my mind about these. So if you're looking to install some, I'll link it below and there's your how-to. Thanks.